What's up, everybody? It's Richard here at Gas Monkey Garage, and this week it is Gas Monkey times Baileigh Industrial. So get you some of this. Grab a piece of metal, grab a cold beer, and sit down and check it out.
Dallas, Texas, first time metalworking, came out here without any knowledge or experience and able to put something like this out and within 3 or 4 hours from a machine. That's awesome. So really appreciate it, recommend it to anybody.
What's up, guys? Noah the Hot Rod Kid here, Baileigh Metal Shaping class right here with Richard Rawlings. Here's some of the pieces that I shaped up, so having a blast getting to use some Baileigh equipment.
Hi everybody, my name is Margaret. I work at Gas Monkey Garage. Look what I made in this awesome Baileigh Industrials class. Woo!
Hey everybody, my name's Kevin. I'm from Chicago. I was part of the experience of a lifetime here at Gas Monkey Garage this weekend, sponsored by Baileigh. It was one of the most exciting, and I have no words to comment on it. It's just, we get to the hammers, the guys that were here, the industry leaders. It was amazing. I still pinch me. Woo! Woo!
Sometimes on these art pieces, it's cool.
All right, guys, we're all wrapped up here at the Baileigh Industrial Metal Shaping class down at Gas Monkey. We had a lot of great students, a lot of great instructors. I had a great time working with everybody. We built some killer projects, and I had a really good time, and we'll catch you guys at the next class.